I'm afraid the Spear of Adun will not be able to assist you inside the temple. Please be careful, Hierarch. Since we arrived here, the keystone has reacted strangely. It's as if it is attuned to the energies below.
Energies below?
Yes. Void energies exude from this place. I believe this world is a conduit between dimensions.
And the keystone?
Acts as if siphoning these energies. This is entirely different from how the origin point information was stored. As if the keystone was reconfigured for a second purpose.
Let us hope that the Xel'Naga themselves can reveal the truths you're looking for.
These records are fascinating, Artanis. I can hardly believe the stories they contain.
My warriors cannot aid me in the battle ahead. This burden is mine to bear.
To find the Xel'Naga. Dare we dream of it? The Starfighters have arrived, and they await your evaluation.
The skies await.
It is a good day, Sudzai.
The skies await.
These purifiers have joined our army, Hierarch.
Amon's forces arrived here before we did. The temple may already be under his control.
Zeratul believed the other Xel'Naga were here, and that they would stand with us against Amon. They could end the war. My people could be free once again.
Then why have the Xel'Naga not answered us?
I am going into the Ulnar Temple alone, Matriarch. I do not intend to risk any more lives.
You risk your own life on the word of a traitor.
He killed your mother, Vorazun. That is true. But he was never a traitor. I do not wish for death. Only to see Zeratul's visions fulfilled.
You will return. That much, I believe. Adun Toridas, Hierarch.
Vorazun, I know not what I shall find below, but I know I must go alone. You are in command of the Spear of Adun now.
Until you return, Artanis.
Zeratul. Shakuras. Queen of Blades.
Kerrigan.
Artanis, wait! I am not your enemy. I have come seeking the Xel'Naga.
So me.
us together. We should not attempt it further. The shrines call this place the Temple of Unification. The Xel'Naga are somewhere within.
So far, all I've encountered are hybrid. I've been fighting them for days. Progress has been difficult.
The prophecies foretell of two ascended races, working together to seek out the halls of revelation within the temple. Only with both present will the shrines reveal the means to awaken the slumbering Xel'Naga.
I've never cared much for prophecy.
And yet, despite our history, here we stand, together. Perhaps you should start. Change is upon us.
Explain.
Hierarch and Vayash. Let us make for the shrine. With honor, I lead. There can be no doubt. Halt! Do you sense that? A great power awakens within this construct.
Purity of form. Purity of essence. Prove your strength.
Stay close to me, Kerrigan. My psionic abilities can mend our wounds.
So the constructs hold the keys. Good to know.
Let us proceed. The future is ours. These devices emit solar energy. We should gather them.
Our knowledge is your heritage.
What?
Hierarch and
You have...
dawn will come.
Look out! Hybrid!
Our destiny. Our path is clear. Together, we are strong.
Another construct. We'll have to destroy it to open the doorway.
With honor, I lead.
Yes.
I serve my people. We shall prevail. Hierarch and Vayash. A bold plan. A key is still missing. There is a power. Together, we are strong. Our path is Kerrigan. The construct is coming for you. Strength. Dawn will come. I serve my
Speak.
Hierarch and Vayash. The future is ours. There can be no doubt.
You have my attention.
Our debt. We shall prevail. Fate is with us. The shrine still functions.
Explain yourself.
There. It gathers power. It should be active shortly.
Friends of yours?
Not quite. It appears Amon's forces have found a way into the temple. We must slay them all.
Think I'm starting to like you, Artanis. Make it quick.
We shall. Our destiny is
Your queen.
Hierarch and Vayash.
You have my...
I serve my people.
Speak. Make it quick.
Dawn will come.
Yes?
Change is upon us.
What is it already? I am the Swarm. Your queen listens.
With honor.
You have my attention.
We shall.
Explain yourself.
I serve my people.
Speak.
Dawn will come. Hierarch,
Make it quick.
our day.
Let's finish this. Then we can see what your shrine has to say. Yes.
A bold plan. Strength in unity. I see now. The Xel'Naga were the first. Born within the void. Their sacred purpose was to cultivate life and perpetuate the infinite cycle. At a new universe's creation, they take a physical form. If destroyed, they are thrust back into the void. All of this time, they have waited for us to assemble the Keystone and find our way here. Amon indwells my people, possessing them through the Kala. But he has no physical form. If he were separated from the Templar, he could be forced back into the void.
Come on, Artanis. We've still got a long way to go.
A bold plan. There...
Let's go. It won't be long until our enemy pushes further into the temple.
I lead. It seems you were correct.
Well then, shall we?
City awaits.
What is it? Oh,
Hierarch and Vayash.
your queen listens.
Strength in unity.
Make it quick.
Change is upon us.
Yes? You have my attention.
We shall prevail. The future is ours. It appears the Tal'Darim are preoccupied. We should engage them while they are fighting the constructs.
Explain.
I serve my people. There can be no doubt.
Speak.
Change is upon us. Together, we are strong.
What fools you are to attack me.
Strength in unity.
Explain.
Change. We shall prevail. Our path is clear. This passage has caved in as well. Wait. Hybrid.
You have my attention.
Our destiny awaits. Hierarch and Vayash. There can be...
Your queen listens.
Ulnar shall serve as your tomb.
Explain.
Change is upon us. The future is ours.
Our heritage is your future.
A bold plan.
They're fighting another construct.
Our path is clear.
What is it already?
I serve. Strength in unity. We shall. The Tal'Darim are breaching into the Hall of Revelation.
Ready your blades, Templar. Your queen.
Dawn will come. The future is...
Yes? What is it, Alden?
I serve my people. There can be no...
Make it quick.
We shall prevail.
Speak. And answer.
Our path is clear.
Looks like we've earned a breather. You're up, Artanis. The shrines look like they're covered with pictograms. How do you know what they say?
Communing with the shrine is more than reading carvings. Each atom of the stone has been placed with meaning, purpose. It was here, from Ulnar, that the Xel'Naga began to seed the universe with life. They created us, just as they gave life to a numberless assembly of races in other universes. Every time, they observe and identify the potential of their offspring, never interfering. The infinite cycle will always be the same. Two races are destined to emerge. One, pure of essence, an indomitable spirit capable of great change, and one, pure of form, a being capable of vast psionic potential, able to house the essence of a Xel'Naga. Purity of essence and form, the Zerg and the Protoss. But if the Xel'Naga do not interfere, then it was Amon who uplifted my people. All we thought was the Xel'Naga was a lie.
Come on, Artanis. We're not far from having some answers.
I believe this must be the final hall.
Wait. The doors are open. The constructs destroyed.
The shrine is under attack. Only the work of Amon. We delay no longer. Our salvation will not be stolen.
Make it quick.
We shall prevail.
Let's get to that shrine.
Dawn will come.
You have my attention.
Our destiny
Explain yourself.
in unity.
Your queen listens.
Hierarch and Hierarch. With honor.
Make it quick.
Our destiny awaits.
The Dark God has foreseen your death, Kerrigan. We shall deliver you to it.
Strength in unity. Together, we are strong.
You have my attention. Your
I serve. The future is...
speak. I've come this far.
Change is upon us. Hierarch?
Fire, we shall be reborn.
These people are maniacs. Your queen.
We shall prevail. Our path is clear.
You have my attention. What is it already?
Our destiny.
Make it quick.
Strength in unity. There can be no doubt.
Usher them unto the infinite abyss.
Yes?
Change is... Dawn will come. A bold plan. Our path is clear. I serve my people. Together, we are strong.
Yes.
In unity. Our path is clear.
Our future is as one in the void.
With all...
Explain yourself.
I serve my people.
What is it already?
A bold plan.
Your queen.
Our destiny awaits us. For Zeratul. For Ire.
Only darkness awaits you.
I serve my people.
You have my attention.
Our path is clear.
What is it already?
Our destiny awaits.
Your queen.
I serve.
It's done. Do your shrine thing, Artanis. These gods of yours have a lot to answer for.
Ahead of us, within the Chamber of Ascension, the Xel'Naga have slumbered as civilizations grew, fell, and formed again. They will awaken when the two destined races arrive. Then, the elders among them will give their lives to bestow their essence. And pure of form and pure of essence will be reborn as Xel'Naga, shepherds of the infinite cycle.
So, what do you say? Ready to meet your maker?
Indeed. Come. The Chamber of Ascension lies ahead, and our salvation within.
Something's not right here.
The Xel'Naga. No.
They're dead, Artanis.
So easily broken, Amon. The firstborn shall fear you no longer!